Okay, hello, good evening, everyone. This is Bhumi Sharma, the president and founder of Coders Club, and will be your host for today's program. I will heartily welcome you all to the very first event conducted by Coders Club for our sweet freshers. Hope you are doing well and are safe at your places. As mostly you all are aware about the Coders Club, still, if anyone is unknown about it, I just want to describe it briefly. Coders Club is the most active club of LDCE, which teaches many things like coding, marketing, leadership skill, and many more things to their learners. Coders Club is established with a motto Right to Learn. Yes, we want to give each students a right to learn. If in Hindi I want to tell them, it's like शिक्षा का अधिकार सबको है. Yes, by making this phrase as our motto, me and my team members started this club and wanted to give right everyone to learn. So, now moving to the next, I want to tell you the reason that why we meet today. So, today's Coders Club organized Webby Fair in which we are showcasing the project developed by our learner and our team itself. So, without waiting for more, let's start with the event. I am glad and feel blessed to show the projects developed by our learners, which was at your place 1 year ago. Yes, before starting the event, I want to give you one surprise. Yes, so are you guys excited for it? Just comment down in the Google Meet that I am going to give you one surprise. Are you guys are excited for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So the surprise is that you all are going to be a jury for today's program. Yes, we are showcasing the projects developed by our learner. You have to vote down the best project, and according to the voting, we are going to select the top three performers. So, watch all the projects properly, and at the end of the event, you have to vote down one project which you like the most in YouTube, where we are live, or else in the comment section in Google Meet. Okay, so you all have before starting the project, I will announce the name of the developer. Okay, so whose project you like the most, write down their name, and at the end of the event, you have to vote down uh, the people's name. So I give you 2 minutes. Take out the book and pen and ready to vote. You have to write the name of the developer whose project you like the most. Okay, so be ready. I will start in 2 minutes. So here comes the first project whose developer was Yagna Patel, Rohan Lahori and Vaibhav Parikh. They made a to-do list and let's see their project. Guys, you can pin down the Meet Prajapati screen and you are able to see it.
Hey guys, myself Patel Yagna from 3rd Sem IT department. Currently, I am going you to explain about my website Varoya. So, અમારી જે વેબસાઇટ છે વરોયા એ એક રિમાઇન્ડર ઓર ટુ ડુ લિસ્ટ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ વેબસાઇટ છે. એમાં તમારે સૌથી પહેલાં તમારું રજિસ્ટ્રેશન ફોર્મ ભરવાનું રહેશે, જેમાં તમારું નેમ, યુઝર નેમ, ઈમેલ અને પાસવર્ડ જોશે. જ્યારે તમારું એકાઉન્ટ ક્રિએટ થઈ જાય ત્યારે તમારું જે એકાઉન્ટ રહ્યું એ ઓટીપી દ્વારા વેરીફાઈ થશે. અગર તમે અમારા વેબસાઇટ ઉપર ઓલરેડી રજિસ્ટર કરી લીધું છે તો તમે સિમ્પલી લોગિન ફોર્મ ઉપર ક્લિક કરી શકો છો. સો અહીંયા અમારી જે વેબસાઇટ છે એમાં તમને ડિફરન્ટ ઓપ્શન્સ મળશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, તમારે કોઈ ટાસ્ક ઇન્સર્ટ કરાવવું છે, એ તમારે કયા કયા ટાસ્ક છે એ જોવા છે, તમારા કયા ટાસ્ક કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાના બાકી છે, કયા ટાસ્ક કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયા છે, અને તમારે જે કોઈ ટાસ્ક ભૂલથી નાખી ગયું હોય તો એને તમે ડિલીટ બી કરી શકો છો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, અહીંયા ઇન્સર્ટ ટાસ્કનો ઓપ્શન છે. દેન ડિસ્પ્લે, જેમાં તમારે કયા કયા ટાસ્ક છે એ તમને બતાવશે. દેન રિમેનિંગ ટાસ્કમાં કયા ટાસ્ક કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાના છે એ બતાવશે. પછી કમ્પ્લીટેડ ટાસ્કમાં કયા કયા ટાસ્ક તમે કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દીધા છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, અહીંયા ડિસ્પ્લે સેક્શન છે તો એમાં તમે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયા ક્લિક કરશો ડન ઉપર તો તમારો ટાસ્ક અહીંયા કમ્પ્લીટેડ ટાસ્કના સેક્શનમાં આવી જશે. પછી તમારે ટાસ્ક કોઈ ભૂલથી એન્ટ્રી કરી દીધી કે એ તમારે નહોતું કરવું પણ ભૂલથી થઈ ગયું, તો તમે એને સિમ્પલી ડિલીટમાં જઈને જોશો તો ત્યાં તમને મળી જશે. અથવા તો તમારે કોઈ ટાસ્ક ભૂલથી ડિલીટ થઈ ગયું તો એને તમે સિમ્પલી અન્ડુ બી કરી શકો છો. પછી અહીંયા આ જે વેબસાઇટ રહી એમાં અમારા ટીમ મેમ્બર્સ હતા વૈભવ પરીખ, રોહન લાહોરી. એન્ડ અહીંયા તમને અમારા કોન્ટેક્ટ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન બી મળશે કે તમને કોઈ ઇસ્યુ થયા છે તો એ બી તમે અમને કોન્ટેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. એન્ડ વેન યોર ટાસ્ક ઓલ ધ ટાસ્ક આર કમ્પ્લીટેડ યુ કેન સિમ્પલી લોગ આઉટ અવર વેબસાઇટ. થેન્ક યુ.
Yes, so this is the project done by Yagna, Rohan, and Vaibhav. Now, next, I would like to show the another project that was done by Tang Umang. Okay, I would like to present his project in front of you. Okay, so he made one website for iCoder like thing in which he saw some services made by them, and like it is a website of the website of the person like iCoder means like all guys are coding similar way. This is the world's largest developer website in which he want to connect many developer on a single platform. For this he made one form, and in that form it will if we are able to directly logging in the form, and similar way we can do all the things like we want to join the iCoder and many more things. So he is a student of Coders Club, and he made this website a user friendly, even a responsive thing, like we can able to see the website in a laptop view and a phone view both properly. See, you guys are see on the screen that this website contain a good view of phone and laptop. It's a totally responsive website. Okay, so this is from the Umang Tang. Okay, so he made this project. Now, not wasting time, I would like to move to the another project that was developed by Jane Mano. He made one self portfolio website for his own portfolio like thing. Let's see what he made.
हेलो गाइस, आई एम मानव जैन फ्रॉम आईटी डिपार्टमेंट सेकेंड ईयर। हम सब ने कोडर्स क्लब में से HTML CSS सीख कर एक वेबसाइट बनाई थी। सो आई हैव आल्सो मेड माय वेबसाइट। इट्स माय पोर्टफोलियो वेबसाइट ओनली। सो आई विल नाउ शो यू माय वेबसाइट। So that's my website. Here it's my just the small introduction. Here is the navigation bar, about me, certification, skills, projects. If you will click on it, then it will redirect you to the same page of that section. This is about me part. So here I have shown some of my details, that where from where I have studied. So do you see that this is a subscribe form, like newsletter in all the it is there in all the website to just get updated for your website. So this is the like if you ignore the form, then it will come again when you reload the page. So I'll show you. It's just reloading. It will come after some time. Till then I'll show you the other parts. Certifications. So this is my certificates. It's just the technical certificates like C language, Python language, Smart Gujarat Hackathon. My skills are there, that I have this much skills: 80% skills in web design, 90% skills in web development. So you see that. Now if I'll just submit the email and now submit it, so it will say the subscription is done, and now it will not come. So let's see the other things. So this is my resume, my about my education, my skills, my projects, contact me form. So these are all the icons. So if you click on this, then it will redirect you to by click on the mail, it will redirect you to my mail. See, by clicking on WhatsApp, it will redirect you to my chat from the web WhatsApp. These are my projects: Riti Rivas Caterers, Chocolate, Society Management System. This was my Smart Gujarat Hackathon project. So this is the contact me form. So if I fill this form, so you can see, I'll show you. So now I submit the form. So now my form is submit. All my details will come to me from the database. So here is my database. As you can see now, there is no detail here. But when I refresh this, see, this is the detail which I have entered in that form. So this is related to the backend. Now this is back to top button. So it will redirect you to the top of the page. Again, this is the footer, like all copyrights reserved. This is designed by me. My name Manav Jain, and these are again all the icons from where you can direct contact me. Like this is the open your phone. It will ask by clicking on the phone icon. If you click on Instagram, that it will link you to the Instagram page. So this is my website. Thank you guys.
Yeah, so this is the
Hello
portfolio
guys, I
website.
am
Portfolio website developed by Manav, who is currently studying in second year IT department, and he made his portfolio website. Now, the next project is created by Prabhuda Bhan and Simran Bhatt, who is from the computer engineering department. They made one supermarket website. Let's see what they made.
Everyone, I am Prabhuda Bhan of third semester computer department, and I will be showing you the website that me and my friend Simran Bhatt from computer department third semester created. So we created this website using HTML, CSS, PHP and SQL. We made it on a supermarket as you can see on the screen. It's a quite basic website having some information stated and a contact form. I'll be showing you each of them individually. So this is our navigation bar as you can see about our services, team, all kind of purchases and contact us form. I'll be showing you each section individually now. This is the about us section where we have written about the facilities that will be providing at the supermarket. Then it's our services section. You can see that we have these amazing colors and icons. It's because of the CSS we used. This is our team. That's me, Prabhuda, and my friend Simran. Menu written on it. And at last, we have a contact form. I'll show you that. Yes, I'm going to show you the contact form. I'm going to enter a value here, database. We created the form using PHP and SQL. Let's have a look. So here, registration successfully. Now we go to our database. That's in SQL. So you can see clinical match, the number and entered, the email ID and the message that I enter. So it's in my database. Everyone who is going to enter it over there will be able to contact me through it. So this all was created under the guidance of Coders Club, and president of Coders Club herself, that's Miss Bhumi, mentored us to do this. Thank you.
Yeah, so guys, this was Prabhuda Bhan who created one website on supermarket. Now, moving to the next project that was created by Tirth Kunni Raman, who made a website on his self, and let's see what he made.
Myself, Teeth, studying in LD College, second year IT Engineering. This is the website created by me using HTML4, CSS, Bootstrap 4. This first navbar and this logo Teeth Kia. It is created by navbar, service, portfolio, team, contact. And I use this background image. Welcome to Teeth Care website. Nice to meet you. Now going to the next section. Service section. Welcome to our service page, and these three icons are created using Bootstrap. And going to the next section, portfolio. Welcome to the portfolio page. This is also created by Bootstrap also. Card system. Now our team. Till now I am doing this work alone, so only myself, and contact us form. Background, this is created by using linear gradient. This website is responsive. See. These are the codes, HTML codes. CSS code. I was able to make this website because of World Coders Club, and main thanks goes to Bhumi Sharma Didi.
Okay, guys. So this was the Tirtha who made this website. See, coding is not a big deal, but like making a website is not always a big thing, but making it responsive that it can be user friendly in every device is the main thing. So we make our students or our learners learn in such a way that they can be a best coder in every sector. Now, I would like to present the website created by Archie Bansu and Nesta Rathod. They both created the website on friendship. Let's see.
Hello friends, I'm Archie Bansu from IT department second year. I joined Coders Club and learned web development course. With the help of that, I created my first own website with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's have a look. This is my website's front page. This is navigation bar and these are contents of website. We will see one by one. Wikipedia. If I drag my cursor to this small image, then it will expand. This effect I give with CSS. Then the next. This is also created by HTML and CSS. This is also created by HTML and CSS. And this animation I give with CSS. Again, new page. So now we will see navigation bar overview. So this is the all over the view of the website itself. Then we will see images. If I drag my cursor to the left portion of these images, then it will slide left side, same as right side. It will slide right side. So this was possible with the help of HTML and CSS. Next is videos. So I brought some YouTube videos in my website with the help of HTML, which I also can play. So this is about videos. Then books. Then comes shopping portion. Then feedback portion. This feedback is created by HTML, CSS and JavaScript also, in which I can fill some details. And then I click on submit button. It will give me warning that email must contain @ sign. Then I can click on submit button. It will give me a new page, and if I want to go to the home page of my website, then I click on the simple home page so that I can come to my main page of the website. So this is the first website which I have created, and hope you like it. Thank you Coders Club for this amazing course. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, so this is the website that Archie and Nista created together. They made the website on some innovative concept like friendship. Okay, so now you see many things over there like HTML, CSS, and many more things there. Now, the one another website, one self portfolio website that was created by Suraj Mulchandani from the computer department. He made the website so cool. Let's see what he made.
Hello everyone, I am Suraj Mulchandani from 3rd Sem Computer Department. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am here to show you my portfolio website that I developed after completing the web development course from Coders Club. So this is my website. You can see my profile picture and name mentioned. Below that there are some of my social media handles. On clicking on them, you'll be directed to my accounts. Then below that is one about me section where I have mentioned all of my personal details, my contact number and email ID. You can see here two buttons, my resume and hire me. If I click on the first button, then you will be able to see my resume. The second button will take you to a contact me form which can be filled by anyone if they want to contact me regarding some project. On the left part of this website, there is one navigation bar. By clicking on different options, you will be directed to different parts of the web page. Below this, there are my educational qualifications and hobbies. Then there are some of my skills like web design, mathematics, etc. Here are some of my accomplishments. Now you can see if I hover on these boxes, then you will get an overview regarding the certificates. If you want to see the enlarged image of these, then you can click on this button. Here are some of my social media IDs. This is the contact me form. Now if you fill this form and click on send message button, then the entry you have done in this form will get stored in my database. Let's see with an example. If I click on this button, then I will be directed to a page which says that my data has been stored. Let's verify in my database. Yes, you can see here the entry that I made in the form is stored here. This is done with the help of PHP. Apart from that, you can see that the color layout of my website is red. You can see the color of these buttons is red. Now, if you want to change these colors, you can do it by going here. You can see the color is changing. So this was all about my portfolio website. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
So, this is the website that was created by Suraj. Are you guys noted everything now? Because we your vote is very important for all of them.
Hello
So
everyone, I'm
chat
Likita Rai from 3rd SEM.
so write in the chat that you are judging them or not. Okay, Poojan, Karan, and any other else? Okay, many other. Okay, fine. So next move further. Arpit, there are total 12 projects. We have completed the 7 projects. Now 5 more to go. Then you have to give your important vote to someone, to one of them, and they will be the top performer for today's program. Now moving to next, let's see the website created by Likita Rai, the student from the IT department currently studying in the second year. Let's see.
Hello everyone, I'm Likita Rai from 3rd SEM IT department. I have created my own portfolio website. The website is made using front-end languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The backend is done using PHP. Here there is a navigation section. Several links to my social media account has been provided here. अगर नेविगेशन में कोई भी ऑप्शन को हम क्लिक करते हैं then we are directed to that part on the web page. In about me section, I have written few words about me. Then there is skills section, HTML, CSS, JS and PHP. Strengths section. And lastly contact form. अगर इसमें कोई भी फील्ड फिलअप नहीं किया होगा तो फॉर्म सबमिट ही नहीं होगा. इवन इनकरेक्ट फॉर्मेट में ईमेल को फिल किया होगा तो भी फॉर्म सबमिट नहीं होगा. On successful submission of the form, एक alert आता है and the changes are reflected on the DB. Thank you.
So this was also a self portfolio website, but all the websites are self portfolio because we want to make everyone's portfolio that they are going to show in the company. For example, up in next 2 years may they will get the job. Okay, from LDC they got the placement. At that time, instead of going with your resume on paper, as a developer you can go with your website URL itself. That's why we tell our students that make the website on self portfolio and show them to the companies where you are going to be interviewed. Okay, so that's why the websites are of self portfolio mostly. Now, moving to next, the website was created by Janvi Thakkar on Sweet Factory. This website was created because of Sweet Factory. Let's see what she made. Okay, so this video doesn't contain the voice, but the thing is that they created the website on the sweet factory where we can order any sweet. We can scroll down and watch different sweet and desserts that the company was selling, and we can directly order from there. By clicking on the image, you have to fill out one form where you have to put down your order, just like you do in Zomato or Swiggy. Okay, and then let's see what she is doing. She is filling up the form, and after submit the form, we will get the order of those items, just like Zomato and Swiggy, but the website is on the sweet on desserts they have created. See, she made it so responsive that, and the animations and everything is so properly, and she created all of this by only CSS and HTML. Every animation and every other thing is be done with the CSS and HTML only. Now this is the contact us form where from where you can contact us directly. So all this is from the website that was created by Janvi Thakkar. Now moving further, we have Juhi Mehta, whose website is on the self portfolio, and she made it with very superb colors combination and everything. Let's see what she made.
Hello, I am Juhi Mehta from IT Third Sem. I have made one website on myself using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and PHP. So let's see. Hello, I am Juhi Mehta from IT Third Sem. I have made one website on myself using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery and PHP. So let's see. तो ये मेरी वेबसाइट है। तो अगर आप इधर पे क्लिक करोगे तो डायरेक्ट नेविगेशन बार खुलेगा। ये होम का है, अबाउट, स्किल्स। तो इसमें आप कहीं पे भी सपोज मैं रेज्यूमे पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो डायरेक्ट वेबसाइट का जो रेज्यूमे का पोर्शन है वो खुल जाएगा। अब फिर से ऊपर जाते हैं तो ये है सब्सक्राइब मी का फॉर्म। तो आप देखते हैं कि कोई वेबसाइट होती है तो इसमें ऐसा होता है कि सब्सक्राइबर्स वाला पॉपअप फॉर्म आता है। उसमें अगर आप अपना मेल आईडी और फोन नंबर एंटर करते हैं और उस वेबसाइट में कोई नया अपडेट आता है तो नोटिफिकेशन के थ्रू या मेल थ्रू आपको वो पता चलता है। तो इसमें भी ऐसा ही है, अगर आप इसमें अपना मेल आईडी डाल तो आपको अपडेट मिल जाएगा। इग्नोर करना तो आप इग्नोर भी कर सकते हैं। ये है अबाउट माई सेल्फ, उसमें मैंने अपने बारे में लिखा है। इधर मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के अकाउंट की लिंक दी है, फोन नंबर दिया है, मेल दिया है। अगर आप इस पर क्लिक करोगे तो डायरेक्ट मेल बॉक्स खुल जाता है। फिर नीचे है मेरी स्किल्स को, मेरे को क्या क्या आता है वो लिखा है। नीचे रेज्यूमे है कि मेरी स्कूलिंग, मेरा ऑनगोइंग एजुकेशन, मैंने वर्क किया है वो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल दैट। ये है पोर्टफोलियो। तो उसमें मैंने क्या क्या अभी तक काम किया है, मेरे को कौन कौन सी लैंग्वेज आती है वो सब डाला हुआ है। अब ये है कॉन्टेक्ट मी का फॉर्म। अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी हो और आपको मेरे से कांटेक्ट करना हो तो आप ये फॉर्म फिलअप करके मैं वो सबमिट कर सकते हैं। तो डेटाबेस के थ्रू मेरे को आपकी एंट्री मिल सकती है। अगर लेट्स सी द फॉर्म। अगर मैंने सबमिट किया तो ये सबमिट हो जाता है। और अगर नीचे जाते तो फिर से और ये जो बटन है उस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो डायरेक्ट हम ऊपर जा सकते हैं। और ये मेरा एडमिन पेज है। अगर मैं इसको रिफ्रेश करूंगी तो ये लास्ट वाली एंट्री जो मैंने डाली है वो आ जाएगी। और ये सब्सक्राइब वाला है, तो अगर आप इसमें एंट्री डालते हो तो वो आ जाता है। सो थैंक यू।
Yes, so this is the website that was created by Juhi, and this website also contained the backend, the admin panel, which is very difficult to maintain. Some people and some coders can create the front end website, but it's always a great job and always a tough task to create the admin panel. But Juhi, the student of the Coders Club, succeed to made it. Now, don't waste, not wasting the time. We will move to the last two projects that was left. One is of Dhruvi Patel. She made the self portfolio website. Let's see.
Hello friends, I am Dhruvi Patel from third Sem IT department. I have made my own portfolio website. So let's see. I have made this website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and backend language like PHP. सो इधर फर्स्ट मैंने नेविगेशन बार बनाया है। नेविगेशन बार में मैंने 4 ऑप्शन दिए हैं, होम, अबाउट, कॉन्टैक्ट और स्किल। अगर हम इधर अबाउट पे अगर क्लिक करेंगे तो डायरेक्ट अबाउट वाला सेक्शन खुल जाएगा। ऐसे ही हम इधर कॉन्टैक्ट वाले पे कॉन्टैक्ट में क्लिक करेंगे तो कॉन्टैक्ट वाला सेक्शन खुल जाएगा। इधर अबाउट में मैंने अपनी बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन डाली है, लाइक मेरी स्टडीज और वो सब। और आप मुझे सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पर अगर कांटेक्ट करना हो तो उसके लिए मैंने अपनी लिंक डाली है सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स की। और आप मुझे अगर कोई क्वेरी हो तो कांटेक्ट कर सके, इसीलिए मैंने फॉर्म डाला है। इस फॉर्म में आप अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन फिल कर सकते हो और वो इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे डेटाबेस के थ्रू मिल सकती है। सो लेट्स सी। ये फॉर्म पे अगर मैं सबमिट करूंगी तो आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे डेटाबेस के थ्रू मिल सकती है। ये देखिए। सो थैंक यू।
So this is the website by Dhruvi Patel. Now moving to the last website by our learners and the students. Okay, so guys, you are noting down and you have to vote the website after this video is completed. So be ready for it. Let's see the last website created by Rukaya Maman on the sweet shop, and this is the website that is also going live. Okay, she made one live website named as ritviriwas.com. You can search it out on the Google. The website is live. Okay, so let's see what she made.
Hello, I'm Rupaya Maman. I am from second year IT department. So I have made one website as a part of a competition held by Coders Club. So this website is about a sweet shop. Now user can go to this website and see all the items displayed by the shopkeeper. So here we have cakes, pastries, desserts, etc. A user can according to his choices. So now if user wants to buy pastries, so he can click the link and see all the present here for the pastries, and he can also see the prices of that. Now same for cakes, cookies, desserts, etc. Now here user can see the terms and conditions, and also for contact user can click this link and mail the shopkeeper. If user wants to give an order for a party or any event, then user can inquire from here. User have to simply fill this form. So, and the data will be displayed to the shopkeeper. This form is fully validated by JavaScript. Your user can select the date. Now user can submit this form, and this responses part is basically for the admin, so that admin can see all the responses. Responses, here is the last response that I have added. Now if the admin wants to edit this response, then he can do it here. Like if he wants to change any date or any message, then he can update it. So here I can update it. And this will be updated. So here you can say that hello, good morning is here. Now if admin wants to delete any message, so he can delete it from here too. So this will be deleted. Thank you.
So all these websites are by our learners. Now I am giving you the 2 minutes vote down website which you like the most. Yes, then you can vote the two if you want. So you guys see many projects related to self portfolio. So after joining us within 1 year, you guys also are able to develop your own website just like this student did. Yes, finally you see all the project developed by our learners and you guys also aware about the Coders Club. But you all are still unaware about the core team behind all this. So I would like to introduce the Coders Club team to you guys. Okay, so wait, before meet the team, let's see the project and the startups developed by the team itself. Let's see what they made. Guys, the session is not over yet. You have to wait for a while.
Hello guys, this is Aman Sheikh from Coders Club LDCE. Let's see my website created for Lens Life Creation. He is my best friend and that's why I have created this website for him. Let's see. First of all, we can see that this is an image which looks pretty cool on this first page, and we have four options on the navigation bar and a logo here. The four option leads us to different pages like home, gallery, about and contact. On the home page, we have written a quote here, and under that we have given an introduction to the Lens Life Creation Photography Studio with a cool image. After that, here comes the services part where the users can find different services, and for different services, if the user click on the particular service, then he finds the page where he can see the images clicked in particular service. We will see it later. Let's come to the next part. Here is a section for request for callback, which reminds the user to request for a callback if he or she is interested or not. And then comes the part in the bottom which shows the about section with information shows the pages and contact information, which shows us how we can lead to different Instagram handles, Gmail account and WhatsApp. uh, we will not go into deep, we will just see a particular section of wedding where we will see different images of wedding like this. And if we click on a particular image, then the image is loaded on the website. The image is having high quality. It requires some time. Let's wait for it to load completely. As you can see that this is loaded, very cool and looks very cool. And now let's move further once this load is completed. Let's see. Here also we have a section for request for callback, which lead us to the contact information page where we can contact the Lens Life Creation Studios person named Saqib Sayed. Uh, Before that, we will see the about section where we have put the photograph of the photographer of Lens Life Creation, and here we have created a FAQ section. Now let's fill the form and see what it is. Here we can get in touch with the photographer, writing the name, contact number, or selecting the shoot type and writing a message. For using information. Now let's click on the request button. As you can see that the request is successfully sent to the admin, and we will look into admin side. You can explore the website more at lenslifecreation-786.web.app. Thank you. Now let's see the admin app. Now let's see the admin application for Lens Life Creation. As I click on the icon, the application is opened. This looks pretty cool. Now let's see. Here we go. The message which we had sent from the website is here. As you can see that we have a menu where we can see there are two tabs, Achieve and About app. When I click on the call now button, the call is sent to the person in the message. Also, I can delete. This delete is not originally delete. This sends the message to the Achieve tab. As we can go to the Achieve tab, the message is here. You can restore the message or delete it. Let's move to the next website. This website is my personal favorite website, which is created for myself and by me. This website is the achiever.web.app for my personal and my own startup, Achiever. Achiever is a startup which is like freelancing kind of startup where me and my friends are working on some live projects, and the live projects we are doing some live projects for this company. Let's see. Here we have created a slideshow kind of thing where we have put some cool images and some quotes. There is a navigation bar which shows 4 pages where we can go. The first is home page, about page, pricing page, and contact page. On the home page, we have described some services like SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, Web Development, Mobile Application, UI UX, and AR/VR. Then we have shown our vision, and then our services section comes. This section shows which services we are going to provide with the expert of particular service. I am currently working as a mobile application development as a with Flutter and Java. That's why I am here as an expert. And other experts and the services are provided. And at the last, we have provided some clients and what they say about us. These are some clients and their experiences with us. And here we have described a contact kind of a reminder for which they can contact us. By clicking on this button, they can reach to the contact page and directly contact us. And this is a cool bottom bar where we have provided links to our address and contact number and our Gmail ID with WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and Instagram accounts. Now let's move to the About section. About section is based on who are the founders of Achiever. First of all, we have described our vision and our mission and the founders team, who are the founders and their images. And again, we have shown up this contact information reminder type of banner. Let's move to the next part. There is a pricing part where the pricing are shown, and the next page is contact. Here you can contact us by writing your name, contact number, subject, and message. When you click on submit, the message is sent successfully. You can explore the website more and contact if you are interested for working with us. You can contact from this website. Thank you.
Yes, so this is the work done by our own core team members and the developers over there. Now moving to next, we have some other websites and the startup done by the Coders Club themselves. The startup is
Hi guys, this is Prajapati Arpan from Coders Club.
all about the health related document management. Let's see some applications developed by them because till now we see all the websites. Now see some applications done by them.
Hi guys, this is Prajapati Arpan from Coders Club. Today I am going to describe you about my Android application named Bakalu for Rajkot. Bakalu word may sound funny to you guys, but it is a Kathiawadi version of vegetables. So Bakalu for Rajkot is an online grocery store application made for the shop based in Rajkot. So basically the interface of Bakalu app is divided into 5 parts. Number 1, shop, where user gets variety of products to select. Then categories, where user can sort out products according to categories. Then cart, where user can see the products added to it and later they can buy it. Then orders, where user can track the products bought by them. And at last but not the least, account, where user can edit their personal info. Let us see each and every part individually. Okay, so first of all, there is shop. As you can see on the upper part, there is an image slider which is constantly changing images. This is made so that admin can notify users about the latest updates, discounts or upcoming sales. Then below image slider, there is categories, where user can view products according to categories in his mind. This does the same thing that categories part of app does. Below categories, there are all the products where quantity, price, discount and many other details are mentioned. Now let's try to buy 1000 grams of mango. We will first add those to cart and then later from cart we will buy it. So now as you saw, I added 1000 grams of mango to my cart. Now let us move to cart. Now as you can see, my mangoes were added to cart and it is listed here. So now without any further ado, I will proceed to order. Now as soon as I proceeded to order, you can see the order details like delivery address, total price, payment options are visible. So I will confirm my details and simply select cash on delivery option and I will place my order. Okay, so now order is placed and as you can see in the notification that a push notification popped out informing admin that a new order is placed. Later on, I will show you the admin side of this application, which is already installed, due to which this notification popped up. Now, when you will go to order section, you will see that order was placed with pending order status. Now, clicking on that order, we can view order ID, payment status, we can cancel order, and we can also track the order. So this was all about orders. Now we will quickly move to account part and we'll try to edit profile. Let us try to change my name from Arpan Prajapati to just Arpan. So as you all can see, the name is changed to Arpan. Apart from this, there is a side navigation view where user can rate, share the app and also can log out when needed. Now this was all about the main Bakalu application. Now let us quickly move to the admin side of this app. We will not go deep into, but I will give you the overview what an admin can do with this admin side. So again, I have divided into first 5 parts. Let us see one by one quickly. First of all, there is items where admin can add, view, update, and delete products, and admin can also analyze the individual product sales data according to date, month, and year. Now let's try to add an item. Let us add an apple. Okay, so now upload is successful. Now let us move to Bakalu app and see whether the product is added or not. Okay guys, so you can see that the product which we added from admin side is added in main app. Similarly, we can edit those items too. Now when product is out of stock, then admin can simply switch off the product. And now when we move to the main app, we can see there is a sold out label on the product. So these were few functionalities out of many from admin side. Then there is orders part. In orders part, admin can see the orders placed by the users. Clicking on it will give details to admin, and admin can change delivery status, which will pass push notification to that user so that user can be updated. As you saw here, when I change my order status to on the way, then a notification came to me informing that my product is on the way. So now there is category where admin can add or delete categories. Then there is a slider part where admin can add or delete images to image slider, which we saw in the main app. And at last but not the least, there is shop where a user can view transactions and sales of shop by selecting any date, year or month, and can also view all the users. So guys, this was all about Bakalu app. Now let's move to another application named CK Meditation. Now, first of all, let me explain you the purpose for this app. The purpose of this app was to develop digitalization in meditation. Now let's see what this app do. Okay, so there are three sections in this app: home, meditate, and profile. First of all, let us see home section. In home page, there is a brief introduction and description about the meditation and Sri Kailash Garu, for whom this application was made. Then there is a meditate section where importance of meditation is explained. And now when user wants to meditate, he has to simply tap on meditate and the audio will play, which will navigate user how to meditate. And there is a profile section where user can edit his personal info too. So this was it about the app. Now let us move further to another app named Food Drive. So let us understand why this app was made. So in the starting period of lockdown, for almost all of us, it was like vacation and opportunities. But for many, it came with bad days. Many people were not able to even eat their food because of financial crisis. So NSS unit of our LDC started distributing food packets to the needy from the donors who were stable enough to donate. So to make NSS volunteers work easy, Coders Club developed the application where they can easily manage it and work effectively. So now let's see the application Food Drive. As you all now know the purpose, now you guys can clearly relate with the application. So as visible in the screen, there are three modules in the same app for three different kind of users. First is donate. where a normal layman like us who are willing to donate food packets can request to admin to donate. Then after there is admin part where admin can control intake and outgoing of food kits and can assign deliveries to area in charge. And then finally there is area in charge, which is for area in charges where they can get daily updates from admin to deliver food packets. Okay, so let us see one by one each and every part. First is donate. So user can easily request to donate by submitting the submit form to admin. So now let's try it. Okay, so now as you saw, request is sent to admin. So now let's move to admin section. So in donation tab, we will be able to see that the request was received by admin, which was submitted by me before, that is by the name Raj. So in donation tab, admin can easily manage the donations request and keep the track whether they are received or not. Now let's move further to area section. In area section, admin can add new areas and can appoint new area in charge for that area. Let us try with a demo. Let me add Memnagar, area in charge, Arpan. Okay, so now as soon as we click on that newly created area, we will be able to appoint deliveries to that area in charge, and we can also assign daily targets for the number of kits to be delivered, and also admin will be able to keep track whether kits are donated or not. Now further there is a dashboard section where admin can analyze donations date-wise, and at last there is account where admin can update his profile. So as we saw donate and admin section, now it's time to see area in charge section. So let us log out from admin side and log into area in charge that was created just now from admin section. Okay, so you all guys can see that the dashboard of newly created area in charge is created automatically, and also the kits appointed by admin to deliver are also visible. And in this way, area in charge can keep admin updated through this app. So this was it about for food drive. Now let us move to Arogya eCare app. All the applications above described were made for the customer of ours, but Arogya eCare is a SSIP granted startup which is thoroughly developed by Coders Club team, and currently it is live on Play Store too. Let me first explain you the purpose of this application, then we will move deep into it. So the purpose of this application is digitalization in health sector. Many of us would have suffered from the problem like sometimes when we are visiting to doctor, we would forget important prescriptions and reports, documents. It would become major problem when a person meets an accident and his previous documents are not available. Then wrong treatments can be placed and person can suffer from fatal causes. So Arogya eCare is a one system for all. Arogya eCare tries to store all the data in your mobile and retrieve it with one tap whenever and wherever required. So now let's get into the app. Arogya eCare e-care app is divided into four parts. Home, where user can store data and access many other features. Then records, where user can retrieve the stored data. Then there is blogs, where user can read blogs and keep themselves daily updated. And then there is notification, where user can receive daily updates about Arogya eCare app. So now let us try adding a document in our records. So as you all can see now, the record is added and we need to move to record section to retrieve it. So the record is added and now we can retrieve it whenever needed. There is also feature of giving access of your records to your doctors or family members, and after giving access that person can view your all the documents live whenever you upload new. Okay, so here I shared my profile to Sheikh Aman so that he can retrieve it whenever he wants to. Okay, so this was about sharing. With all these, user can also add family members to manage documents of other family members too. So this was it about Arogya eCare app, and next update is coming soon with surprising features. I suggest all of you to please download Arogya eCare application from Play Store. Link will be provided to you guys and have a look into it. So this was all about Arogya eCare app. So these were some of Android applications which are developed by Coders Club team. I would wish you all also become a member of Coders Club, and let's become a part of this revolutionary learning together. So that's it. This was Arpan Prajapati signing off. Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you everyone over here. So this is all the website developed by our learners, our own developers, and all the application is developed by one of our team member itself. Okay, so now I hope you guys like the journey with us. Now let's meet the developer. I will take your few minutes and just make you meet our developers and the core team members of the Coders Club. So you people are here me from so long. Still, I want to introduce myself. I am the Bhumi Sharma, the president and the founder of Coders Club. I am a Gujarat Hackathon winner and was runner-up in the international hackathon conducted in the USA. Along with this, I am the Gujarat topper in my diploma with a hat trick of 10 SPI and 9.94 CGPA. Along with this, I done many projects in the past and was conducted many events. Currently, Coders Club whole team, including me, Meet, Arpan, Ravi, Istiak, and Aman, created one startup named as Arogya eCare. Now, I would like to meet you with the whole team of the Arogya eCare and Coders Club board. So, I want to introduce the most enthusiastic, active person with lots of dream, named as Aman Sheikh, who is the vice president of Coders Club. Then it came. Then I would like to introduce the creative mind with a big smile, the manager of Coders Club, and my brother Arpan Prajapati. Then moving next, I would like to invite the person, or I would like to introduce the person who can make everything, every impossible thing possible with his smartness and a positive attitude, the secretary and my best friend Meet Prajapati. And moving further, we have two other members of the Coders Club who are so smart and so active. So I would like to make you to meet with a person who can silently do many things possible with his skills, the treasurer of the Coders Club, to whom you have to pay the membership amount, the Ravi Patel. Now it's time to meet the person with the super level of marketing skills and strategies and the techno mind. The chairman of Coders Club is Tyag Sheikh. So this is the team of Arogi eCare and Coders Club both. So now as you all meet the whole team and maybe you are ensured that people over here are having a lots of skills in every sector, either it is coding, marketing, leadership or anything else. So hope you guys like this session, and if you want to join the Coders Club membership, you can directly contact us. The contact numbers and the WhatsApp link is shared with you in the chat box. And if you want to take the membership of a Coders Club, then kindly contact us. Thank you.